Today we're going to talk about replacing a Jackknife couch with RecPro recliners in a Coachman Leprechaun 260 QB. Removing the couch was fairly easy. If you lift up the Jackknife couch, but don't set it flat, put it in a V, this will expose the screws, bolts, and nuts that you need to get to. For each section of the couch, the seat and the back, there are 4 nuts that hold the cushion to the frame. If you remove those nuts, you can lift that section out and take it out the door. That's fairly easy, so do that for both of the sections of the couch. To remove the frame, there's actually metal brackets that are on the floor that hold the frame to the floor. There's 4 of them, so you just get ratchet wrench on it and remove those, and then you can take the frame out as well. We decided on the RecPro swivel recliners. They looked very comfortable and they looked like very good quality. But I think the wall-hugging sofa would probably fit a little bit easier in the space as it would sit tighter against the wall. For the recliners, the swivel portion hung over the base that was there. So I put in little circular plywood discs that were larger than the circular base to the recliners. And then I just screwed those down to the base that was there. And then I used pipe clamps to install over the top. I did have to remove the back wire covers as well as the middle wire cover that was there. And then I relocated the one wire as well. I cut, there's 2 holes, one was not being used, so I just took a small sliding cutting tool so I could move that wire over a little bit further towards the stove. To secure the wiring and the chairs, I used 2 or 3 inch tubing that I bought off Amazon and placed that around the existing wires and runs that were from the holes all the way back along the backside to the stove area. For the chairs, I used 3 1/4 inch conduit clamps and then just screwed them to that plywood circle that I made. It helps if you raise the footstool for this, otherwise you're going to have a hard time getting to the base. The recliners ship each in their own box. We got a set of 2, so 2 boxes. They're very well packed. As you take them apart, they're individually wrapped and covered so they stay clean. It comes in 2 parts, the seat part and then the back part. So to get them into the camper, I started with the seat part. You sort of put it sideways and caulk it in to a door just like you're moving through any door. They do fit through a standard 22-inch, 24-inch RV door. I didn't have any problem getting them in, and then I positioned them on those round circles. I then brought the backs out and then they snap in. There's plenty of videos that show you how to do that, but it was very easy to get them in and assembled and put in place. Well, that's it for putting chairs in a camper. It took me, a couple days to figure it out and put them in and get them in. But we're taking it on our first camping trip here shortly, and that is going to be a lot more comfortable than that Jackknife couch. So happy camping. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.